Okay, like, bro, what is wrong with this game? I don't know if it's my leg. Maybe it's my leg. But like, why is it send me back? Don't know if it's my leg or something. This is the second time I'm doing it. I don't know if it's my leg, but as you can see, maybe it's my leg. I don't know, but yeah, try one more time. So did actually work, but like most of the time, it ends up doing what it just did before this. So yeah.